Mark Melson from Excellence Auto Collision here at 210 Midwest Road in Toronto. We're working with Porsche Centre North Toronto on this restoration challenge. We need to look at, of course, because of our climate, corrosion, making sure that the vehicle, the metal itself hasn't been compromised by road salt. But we also look at moldings, rubber seals around windows because of sun damage. You know, these rubber urethane products do break down over 30 years of usage, and we need to make sure that that component can be removed and installed in the vehicle, or does it have to be removed and replaced? Just because some of these components are old, we want to make sure that when we're completed the restoration, the car looks as the day as it rolled off the showroom. When I was discussing this project with the owner of Excellence Auto Collision, it was very interesting to reminisce that he was looking at 1986 of opening Excellence Auto Collision and was looking at Porsche catalogs and came across this vehicle. Fast forward to today, we're very excited to be able to restore a vehicle that was manufactured when Excellence Auto Collision was founded. Once we've completed the diagnosis of the body, we will start measuring paint mill thicknesses, door gaps, panel alignment, whether the vehicle has been previously repaired or painted, to make sure that we can give an accurate repair plan on how we're going to restore this vehicle back to factory condition.